It is crazy to think just 7 weeks ago, this was a concrete floor, torn out walls, water everywhere. The family who lives here, they had a flood, and they had just 7 weeks to get it all cleaned up and rebuilt and remodeled in time for Christmas. Well, I was blessed to be a part of it, well, to run the remodel and run the design, and today is the day, 2 days before Santa comes, and I get to welcome them back, and I want to take you right along with me.
Like 4 hours of water nonstop, basement lost before our eyes, and it was very devastating. And we just had to start over from scratch, essentially. I have young kids, and their first question was, where are we going to open presents?
I think it's hard to find somebody that you can trust, and not only that, but that they will listen to you and kind of help you through the process. I'm excited for you.
Thank you. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I like knowing what's coming, and I don't know.
Susan, Joanna, take a look at your new great room.
Oh my
That's a short
gosh!
screen, but
Oh
it
wow!
goes
Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. This is so cool.
So remember we had carpet that got soaked in our flood. It was terrible. We will never have carpet down here again.
Are you ready to see your new kitchen and bar space?
Yes.
Check it out.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
And you said you love blue, but you were feeling torn. Are you liking it now that you see it with all
I like
of
it
the
now that
other
I see
neutrals
it.
around it? Do you remember picking out this tile?
I do.
This grout is sort of a sparkly bronze. We like the countertop.
Love the countertop.
You can spill spaghetti sauce and pizza on here and just wipe it up. You cannot hurt it. And you remember what was here before?
A giant, ugly refrigerator.
Big 90s black refrigerator that was out to about here.
Yes.
That was really difficult for you to even get much use out of it because it's so far away from your main kitchen and you had nothing to fill it with down here.
Yes.
Welcome to your new game room.
Ooh. Ooh, I like it.
Oh.
She nailed it. Joanna, did you see the wall?
Go check it out. This was custom made for you in Texas.
In Texas?
Yes. I know this is emotional because of Jeff being a veteran.
Yep. In the Air Force. Yeah.
And so we wanted to do something special for you guys.
I love it.
Yeah. How do you think Jeff will feel about it?
I think he'll be blown away. I mean, the flag and the Air Force reference, and just it's more than anybody could have really thought of. So, thank you.
We had
and
to
I would
stay
have
through it.
never thought to do all these little touches and nooks, and you know, it was literally a giant room. And now it's like an intimate room, but yet it works. You can have multiple things going on at a time, and it's just beautiful.
Love it.
Oh my gosh.
This is beautiful.
This is a whole new room. This is amazing.
Love it.
And here you have this dark limestone countertop. You've got your black hardware. You've got an iron mirror. Then we brought the brass back in up high so it kind of breaks up all the black.
It's beautiful. It's a whole new room.
Like it?
Yeah, I do.
Well, we still have one more space.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I think I feel good about it.
Ooh. Whoa.
I know you do a lot of life coaching and you have appointments online all the time, tons of Zoom meetings.
It's amazing. It's just amazing. I just
You've got a ton of storage. The game room, we had a space for son, daughter, husband, mom.
Yeah, this is just amazing. It's all the only
I'm
word I
so
have.
happy.
Like, we did it. You did it. Like, we did it. Like, it's...
Yes.
With a $70,000 budget and a 7-week timeline, we were able to take this home from dull and drab to a fabulous family hangout. Real estate pros say the changes add $175,000 to the home's value.
Obviously, I don't want you to sell it.
We do not plan
I
on
hope
selling.
you enjoy it for
this
many
is our
years to
forever
come.
home, and now super forever home, for sure. Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
I'm so happy for you guys.
Oh, thank you
I know
so
it's a rough
much.
road, and I'm
Yes.
just happy that this is the end result.